Hey guys. Today I on doors with the cute pink kitten. Let's just find her at there. I need to change my outfit or keep it. I don't care. I'm gonna tell her that I'm recording, so just wait a minute. Okay, I'm back. Let's find her. Come on. Oh, she just left. I'm pretty sure she's gonna join back. Hopefully she's gonna join back. I hope that she's gonna join back. No, she's not joining back. Hopefully she's gonna join back. Please join back, kitty. The cute pink kitten, please join back. Okay, she's back. She's back. Okay, great. We got her. Let's play a round. Okay, so I'm not the best, but that's just because I'm on mobile right now. But it's fine. We're just gonna play it. So me and the cute pink kitten are both British. She sounds really American though. So let's get playing our round of doors, shall we? I'll just take a last while. Can I make it any better? No. Why is my looking around like that? There we go. Jesus. Okay. Kitty's got the first key. Okay, there's nothing there. Sometimes when I'm recording, I forget that I'm recording, and I don't know, I just say really weird stuff. So like I said in Kitty's video, sometimes, no, some of you were from me. Oh, that was light. Some of her subscribers were from me. I thought I just saw the lights flicker. It was just the wind. Okay, now that that's finished with, now that that's finished with, sorry. It was a little girly. It was silly. Wait. What door is that? 10. 11. Oh, it's this door. I never do this kind of stuff. Normally the person I'm playing with, oh, she got Screech. Psst. You can't open. Oh. Is Rush coming? No, okay. You can never be safe. Safe and sorry. You can never be safe and... Okay, lights definitely flickered. Did she get it? I hate her. Okay. Rush isn't that pleasant. I don't like ambush either. I don't like none of them, to be honest. Oh wait, I've got it. I did not realise that I had it. Seek chase. I suck at seek chase. This is where I'm gonna die. Oh, is that just... That's not seek? Not seek? I guess not. That's funny. That's funny. That's funny. Oh wow. That's really weird actually. Yes, we both hate seek. Where's the door? Oh, there. What? What's going on? Oh, is she just doing something? Oh. Oh, okay. She doesn't want to do seek. She doesn't want to do the seek chase. Okay. Okay. I'm playing this on a very low percent, if you can see. 25. Okay, that was definitely rush. Or it could have been under. No, 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 no. So close. That was so close to getting me. Did you see? He literally got so close to me. Oh, I just got a whole bunch of coins. It's not that much coins. Okay, this isn't live because I don't really like lives, to be honest. So you can't open every single drawer because Timothy the spider. But you've got to open drawers in this because you need to find the key. Have you got it? Where is it? Over here. Nope, not under the bed. Oh, my charger just fell out. That just scared me so hard. Whew. I just jumped. I just jumped. I just jumped. I just jumped. Rush. It's rush. Rush, rush, rush. Rush, 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 rush. Oh my Jesus. Wait. No? I saw lights. I saw lights. The lights flickered. Strange. This isn't a painting. Are you ready? This isn't a painting. So, how come it's hanging on the wall? If it's not a painting? This isn't a painting. Say it really British now. This isn't a painting. Okay, you see, I'm just saying really weird stuff. Okay, I got it, Kitty. Kitty, I got it. I just jumped again, but even harder. The key was 29. Was it? Or was it 27? No. 27. We've been duped. Where's the door? Kitty, is the door over here? Wait, Kitty, where's the door? It's an eye. Let's stare at the eye. The eyes don't like being stared at. But still, we're gonna stare at it. Because eyes are cool. Oh, yeah, you see how cool he is? Where's the door, Kitty? Where's the door? Oh, I see, it's over here. Wait, Rush, wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Eyes are coming. Sorry about that, I'm so sorry about that. There has been so many distractions. Eyes are coming. Seek chase, seek chase, seek chase. Woo! Oh my god. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Seek, 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 seek. No, I'm gonna die. No, this is where I died. This is where it all ends. This is where it all ends. This is where life starts. This is I just jumped again. Oh my Jesus. Okay. Bye guys. Bye.